I was divorced.
Okay. So, the issue is, if you know, in the state of New Jersey, okay, it's a motor vehicle summons. It happens to be one of the worst ones, okay, driving under the influence. That's all it is. It's a motor vehicle summons. I do my test back in headquarters, and then we go, and you get released. Okay? Miss, let's go. Wake up.
Oh. Hi.
How much do we have to drink tonight?
How are you?
How much do we have to drink?
Hi.
How much do we have to drink?
Hi.
How much do we have to drink tonight?
Not too much.
What's that?
Not too much.
Not too much?
No.
So, why am I here?
Sorry.
No.
I know.
You fell asleep. I've been here for about 3 to 4 minutes already. I had the other officer put the car in park. You were sleeping. So, let's give me your license, registration, insurance card right now. No,
I'm not driving away, sir. I'm just playing.
No, you're fine there. The car is in park already. License, registration, insurance card.
I don't. That's all I have on me is a Toro.
Okay. Whose car is this?
It's a Toro. It's a rental.
It's a rental? You got the rental agreement? I'm sorry?
And my phone.
Okay. Can you pull it up for me, please?
Yeah.
I'm just going back to the car for a bit, let them go around.
Yeah, whatever you want to go. Let's get them out of here.
If you give me a second, it's an app on my phone. Can I pull my phone?
I'm going to go around him, alright?
Where are you coming from?
Down the shore.
From the shore? How much do you have to drink tonight?
Not much at all.
What's not much?
2 drinks. I really honestly
do. I work. I work. You know about 2 drinks this big?
I know
or
I'm very
2
tiny,
big?
but I work 7 days a week. I swear to God, I bartend down the shore.
Okay.
I bartend.
Here is the critical turning point. She claims she only had 2 drinks and left just 30 minutes ago. But that math is completely impossible given how deeply asleep she was in active traffic. The officer immediately spots the massive hole in her timeline. Her story is crumbling right here, transforming this from a simple welfare check into a serious DUI investigation.
I can't find my phone for you. Am I allowed to open my door?
Right.
No?
Alright, so...
I'm just trying to find you the Toro app to show you my...
That's fine.
What would you like me to see? I know.
No. Give me a second. You stay in the car. Okay. Now, you came from the shore? Where's shore?
Highlands. Atlantic Highlands.
Atlantic Highlands, okay. Alright, so you've been here for about 5-10 minutes. People have been calling, and I was way back there. I was wondering why the traffic was backing up, and I eventually came up as the call came in to us. So you've been asleep for some time. You had your wipers on?
I thought it. I'm honestly, I know that it sounds very terrible. I'm just literally, like, I've been working 7 days a week for the last 2 months. I'm just newly divorced. I'm literally just going through a really bad time.
Okay.
I sincerely apologize.
Well, unfortunately, you know there are...
No, I know the rules. I get it.
Correct, okay.
Of course.
So what I'm going to do is... Alright, Nick. Come up here.
I'm going to put my car in there.
Okay.
What do I need to do?
So what I'm going to do is you're going to come out once this other officer comes up here. All right, we're going to go walk over to the gas station over there, okay? And we're going to do field sobriety test.
To follow you.
Yes, you will walk over. Okay, you'll leave the car where it is. You got the rears on? Good enough? All right, Brittany, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Give me 1 second, and then you can step out. You want to walk over here to the sidewalk? Keep coming. You're going to go in front of the car over here. Keep walking. Keep walking.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
You're going to come right here to the sidewalk area. Right there is good. Alright, so Tiffany, I do see... Oh, excuse me, Brittany. It's Tiffany for some reason.
It's okay. It's very close.
So alright, so here's the first thing we're going to do. Okay, the first test...
For my outfit.
I'm sorry?
Sorry for my outfit.
It's fine. You were at the beach, you said, right?
Yeah, sorry.
So, alright, so the first test... Just put that in my car. Get the fronts off. Very good. Alright, so the first test we're going to do is your eyes only. So before we start the test, do you have any issues with your eyes? Medical issues, glasses, contacts?
I do wear contacts.
Are they currently
Not
in?
contacts like glasses. I wear them only for reading.
Okay.
Yeah.
Near sighted or far sighted?
Far.
Far sighted. So you can clearly see in front of you. Okay. So I'm going to do is I'm going to be holding out my pen. It's a stimulus. It's going to be about 18 inches from your face, okay? All you're going to do is you're going to follow with your eyes and eyes only, nothing else, okay?
Yes, sir.
So before we get that, is I'm going to have you stand heels and toes like you are so, but your hands to your side. And stay in that position. Do not move. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Like that. All right. Look at the pen. Follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't turn your head.
I'm not.
You gotta keep following it.
I am. I'm trying. I'm just not trying to move my head. Trying not to move my head. Sorry.
You gotta follow it.
Okay.
Keep your hands to your side. Okay. All right. Next test is going to be the walk and turn. Before we start that one, would you like to take off your sandals and walk barefooted?
Whatever you'd like, sir.
Well, I'm just telling you, you're going to be walking. I just don't want you to lose support in there and fall on your face, okay? Even when it's not necessary. So for this test, what we're going to do is you're going to put your left foot in front of your right foot, heel to toe, like so.
How many? Yeah.
No, just like that. Okay? Now you're going to put your right foot in front of your left, heel to toe. Now stay in that position, okay? Until I tell you to start the test. You understand? All right. You're going to keep your hands to your side. Also, when I tell you to begin the test, you're going to take a series of 9 steps forward, heel to toe. Okay. On that 9th step, you're going to keep that front foot planted on the ground, and take a series of small steps, make a turn, and turn around, and 9 steps back, heel to toe.
Right.
I will demonstrate momentarily. Okay. When you're doing the test, you're going to count out about your steps. Keep your hands to your side. If you fall off the line, don't get back on line. Do not stop the test for any reason. You understand?
9 back. 9 there back.
9
yeah.
forward, turn, 9 back. Now, I will demonstrate right now, okay? So what we're going to do is, I'm only doing, get back into it.
Sorry.
Stay in that spot. Alright, I'm going to do 3. You're going to do 9. Alright, it's going to be like 1, 2, 3. Again, you're doing 9. I'm doing 3 for purposes of illustration. Okay? You keep that front foot playing on the ground. Small series of steps. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9. Okay, you have any questions? Again, 9.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, again, 9 steps forward, turn, 9 steps back, keep your hands to your side. Once you start, do not stop and count out loud your steps. Any questions?
Yes, sir. No question.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay.
Sorry.
Before we start, I'm sorry, before we start, do you have any physical difficulties or issues or injuries?
I have a broken wrist, like halfway broken, but that's
Okay.
it.
Left or right?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Any other questions?
Nope.
Okay. Hold on 1 second. All right. You may begin.
9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, sorry. 8, 9. Turn. Oh, sorry. Like close. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. All right. The last test we're doing is the 1 leg stand. Okay. Again, we're going to start into the first test. Heels and toes together, side by side, hands to your side. Stay in that spot until I tell you to begin the test. You understand? Verbally.
Oh, sorry. Yes, sir. Sorry. Oh, yes, sir. Sorry.
Okay, so again, when you begin the test, when I tell you to begin the test, you're going to lift up a foot of your choice, either your left foot or your right foot, doesn't matter. Okay, now extend that foot out approximately and hold it approximately 6 inches off the ground with the bottom of your foot parallel to the ground. Okay, you're going to hold that position and you're going to look down at your foot and you're going to count out loud 1001, 1002.
You tell me. Oh, start?
What's that?
Start now?
No.
Oh.
I will tell you.
Okay.
I'm giving you the instructions.
No, I'm
right
listening.
now.
I'm just asking how long.
Hands to the side. Okay, I will tell you.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
until I tell you to stop.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you understand? Okay. Again, I will demonstrate right now, and then I will go over the test before we go. Okay. Begin the test is either way, left or right foot. I will raise up my right foot. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006 until I tell you to stop. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Things to remember. Foot of your choice, approximately 6 inches off the ground. You're going to extend the foot out forward. You're going to keep the knee locked, so it's almost a straight leg.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Parallel with the ground.
Yes,
keep
sir.
your hands to your side.
Yes, sir.
Once you begin the test, continue the test to your best ability. Do
Yes,
not
sir.
stop the test. You put your foot down, pick it back up, and continue the test. You
Yes, sir.
understand? All right, you may begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028,
All right,
2029.
stop. All right. What else? Okay, here's what we're doing. All right, you're going to be placed under arrest for driving under the influence.
Why?
Well, it's one, you admitted to drinking, and you do see signs of impairment, okay? Also, I believe you're impaired other than alcohol. I'm going to tell you right now. I'm going to tell you right now. I can see it in your eyes. You ever hear the expression, your eyes don't lie?
Yeah, of course, but I'm
Your
just...
eyes are not lying.
Please, sir.
Okay.
Please. Please let me go. Please. Please.
No?
I'm
Turn around.
Yeah, you should have 41 under.
You want to put your...
Am I going to have to stay overnight?
No, absolutely not.
One call for 75.
Yep. Do you need anything out of the vehicle?
My purse,
Can you call
please?
for
Your purse?
25 as well, please?
And the cell phone? Was your cell phone in the purse? Okay.
I don't know. I don't know.
All right. All right. Nick, stay here.
Got her keys in her waist.
Really?
Yep.
No, why? I don't understand why.
Hold on one second. Where are your keys?
I'm not going to run.
No. Well, procedures. Your keys. Can you take them out of your side there? Thank you. Let's see. Let's see.
Wait, so what? Oh, okay.
I'll explain everything, okay? You're from Florida, was it? Okay, but you have a Florida license?
I was divorced.
Okay. So, the issue is, if you know, in the state of New Jersey, okay? It's a motor vehicle summons. It happens to be one of the worst ones, okay? Driving under the influence. That's all it is. It's a motor vehicle summons. I do my test back in headquarters, and then we go, and you get released. Okay? Just stay. Step back, I'll close the door, and then we'll walk forward.
She later blew a 0.13% BAC, nearly twice the legal limit, and was found guilty. What makes this even more intense is court records showing this wasn't her first DUI arrest just this year. It's a chilling reminder that sleeping it off in the driver's seat isn't a loophole. It's a crime that endangers everyone on the road. If you found this breakdown intense, then like this video, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more unfiltered Bodycam reality.